All right, let's go across to where Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar is speaking.
Has to take effective action.
Sir, what about exports? Is export one at all a small reason also for?
No, there is no export because I'll just tell you a simple thing. International market price is $500 to $550. Domestic price is $850. When the fellow is getting $800 here, why he will export to outside India at 500 rupees? So there is no export. In fact, there is some import, and I think some of the organizations. Just now I heard from Mr. Sharma that he has instructed some of the PSU to import. He will be able to give detailed information because that is his subject.
Sir, my question is, since the crisis, onion crisis is very cyclic in nature, do you think that as a government you have not been able to have a long-term plan to stabilize?
Government business is the first question. Ultimately, what farmer is going to produce, which crop he is supposed to take, that is his job. And they are taking, in fact, as I said, the area under onion is not less. This happened because of excessive rain in particular area for a particular time. So it's a temporary thing.
Sir, my question is, if there's a break in supply chains, if there's a disruption in supplies, do you think the prices should be so volatile that it can go up so much? So is there a failure somewhere?
Where is the question? It's a market ultimately decide. You see, government doesn't control onion. Or government doesn't sell onion. Market decides, it depends on. किसके? मैंने I told कि because of the heavy, मैं हिंदी नहीं सब लैंग्वेज में बोलने के लिए यहाँ बैठा नहीं मैं आपको सुनना है तो सुनिए. So नासिक एंड दैट बेल्ट में जो बारिश ज़्यादा आ गया इससे जो नुकसान हुआ इससे किसानों को पीड़ा है, किसानों को नुकसान बहुत हुआ है और इसका असर मार्केट अराइवल पर बुरा हुआ है. मगर ये ज़्यादा दिन होगा नहीं क्योंकि नया फसल ज़्यादा क्षेत्र में है और वो मुझे लगता है कि 15 दिन या 3 हफ्ते में अच्छी तरह से मार्केट में आना शुरू हो जाएगा कि जिसका असर कीमत पर हो जाएगा. मुझे तो चिंता दूसरी है कि 1 महीने या 1.5 महीने के बाद इतना माल बाजार में आएगा कि कीमतें गिरी इसलिए किसानों की शिकायत सुनने की नौबत आएगी. ऐसी मुझे स्थिति लगती है टोटल एरिया देखने के बाद.
Sir, if you look at the bigger picture, the long-term plans, 2 issues where the law is concerned. A, the Essential Commodities Act and B, the APMC Act. Do you think that now there is a time to change these 2 acts and bring, say, onions under as an essential commodity and insist that the states change the APMC Act as well?
You see, long back when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, all the Chief Ministers meeting, it was decided these type of attempts should be removed from Essential Commodities Act. That is the correct approach. There should not be restriction for either this or that act. Ultimately, market should decide.
No, but now do you think there's a time for a rethink, given the fact that onion prices are at 100 rupees, markets are marginalizing?
I said that this is a temporary phase, that's why we should not go to extreme level.
So what about the APMC Act, sir?
No, in fact, APMC Act, a lot of...
The Centre has been asking the states to change it again and again.
No, Centre is asking to the states. In fact, I myself have called a meeting of the marketing ministers 4 years back and requested them to remove restrictions. We don't want restrictions. Farmers should be allowed to sell his produce anywhere in the country, not only restricted mandi. But for instance, a state like Bihar, they have totally scrapped APMC Act. There is no APMC Act. But other states are doing some partially. Still, we have not received total information from the states what exactly they have taken action on that.
Sir, Maharashtra is one of the biggest producers of onions. Do you think you should be suggesting, or the Maharashtra government should take it forward steps to remove these artificial restrictions that they have placed vis-a-vis the APMC Act?
There is no APMC Act restriction. For onion in Maharashtra, they can sell anywhere. They can sell in their own farm also. There are some traders who they are going to the farm directly and signing contract, making agreement and purchasing and transporting.
This is what should be done where Delhi is also concerned. Is this a suggestion you will be giving to Delhi? to remove artificial restrictions in the APMC
Anyway,
Act?
that let Consumer Affairs Ministry, because it's not my subject. Unnecessarily, I should not advise without, unless this concern now, for instance, Delhi Chief Minister is meeting me today. So I don't know what is her agenda, but if she is asking some advice about the production, information about the production, then definitely I'll talk to them.
So you said ABL is more under onion, whereas there is some damage to the crop. Do you think that production will be lower than the last year?
No, because the area under, because you will see in another 2-3 months or 2-3 weeks time, this new crop will come in market. And area, because I have seen, when I generally prefer to travel by car whenever I go to any state. So I see that a huge area is coming under onion. Thank you.
Sir, what time will be Sheila ji? Sheila ji, please.
They're saying, denying that any onions had been exported, blaming the high prices on the rains that have taken